Here we go, guys. Subterfuge box break number 1907. This is showcase leftover from last night, so thanks a lot. You guys cleaned her out in the morning-ish, or whatever. By afternoon, she's gone. So before we even read the sheet, who's going to get those oil? Let's find out. It'll probably be Nick, and he's not even in this break, judging by the last break. Oh yeah, he is. Oh yeah, Nick has Philly. So guys, it's gonna land on Philly. Just warning you. Totally gonna land on Philly. Here it comes. Nick is on a roll tonight. Oh, Philly went by. I'm wrong. Florida, James. Nice job. One team and you end up with Edmonton. Oh, two teams. Okay. So here we go with the sheet. War Machine and Rick and Ron and Chad. Some Robin, the War Machine, Ron, James. War Machine got the Ninja, War and Ron with the 5-pluser. Sammy, Aaron, Robin, Nick and Chad, DJ, all kinds of different people in this one. They've got Pats in this one, Rick and Aaron and DJ. So good luck, guys. Yeah, alright. So War Machine, 12 darts for you, brother. A War Machine in the box? In the box. Is War Machine in the box? Yeah, he got a penalty. Is War Machine in the room? I don't see him, actually. He was in earlier. War Machine took another penalty. He's a goon. Double 20. Single 8. My thing might not be updating, too. Triple 14. B. Boom sauce B. Spell out boom sauce. You know the dealio. Single 1. Single bull. And triple 5. Halfway there. War Machine. Triple 3. The SPX down to 14. So we might get another break in tonight, guys. Single 7. Single 1. Triple 8. Gotta get some prizes. What's going on? Single 12. A whole bunch of new fridge magnets. I want to give them away. Single 4. But no dealio there. Alright. 5+ wheel spin. War Machine. Here you got another chance. Now it's going to land on Philly. Just saying. One spin too late. Oh, way off. Oh, hey, look at that. Toronto Maple Leafs. You're going to get 6 more darts. It didn't click over. That'll make you happy. Alright. 6. Alright. I would never egg you on. Oh, I don't count. It's called having, you know, the little fun banter that we like to have on our channel here. You buying that? Anybody buying that? Wow, all singles in the bonus ones. Level 15. Besides, must keep talking, doing a break, must ramble on. There we go. 6 more darts for War Machine. Still no prizes. Ron, you get the wheel spin. I don't know about the pizza thing, man. Oh yeah, I only bug Matt. Boo Habs. LA Kings for Ron. That's, I think, 3 inserts. Yep. I'm gonna grab you some Leafs. I got all kinds of Leaf inserts here. We'll give you a, what is that? Ooh, retro. Oh, look at a bunch of these from Matt. I don't know if you have that one or not. I'll give it to you. Right. 3 inserts. Shining Stars on Matt Sundin. Hall Effects, Matt Fratton. Super shiny. And Matt Sundin, You Crashed the Game. Old school. I got that one from Matt. Along with the other 18 pounds that I bought from Matt. Alright, so there you go, Ron. couple inserts for you at least. And we're into our box finally, guys. It wasn't too bad, only 73 minutes. And there's a serial number. Dylan Larkin. Ooh, right down the middle. You haven't seen what? Philly has a ton of rookie cards in here. You know, you're right, we're due. I don't think I pulled one, to tell you the truth. Maybe it's just like the Metal Gear dealie, but maybe, I don't know. Mem! Oh yeah, we're on 6s, in case I didn't say. So all the hits, you're going to get a 6 for... Hey! For the Leafs and Pat! JBR, Flair Showcase jersey. James Van Riemsdyk for you. Not numbered, that's going to get you a single 6, so, for your pile. Yeah, what can I say? Here's our patch. Save that to last. Hey, there's PJ. He must have smelled the Leafs. PJ loves the Leafs, eh? Oh. Henrik Samuelsson for the Yotes. Wow. Is that a ding corner or is it just... Nope. It's just the way his jersey is. I thought it was a massively ding corner, but it isn't. Henrik Samuelsson for the Yotes and Chad on the board. Let's see. Flair Showcase rookies, not numbered. Zachary Fucali for Ron. Oh, I also have an announcement. PJ is coming back to break for us at 643. He's doing some eBay breaks, and then he's going to be on our roster for, I think, Thursday nights. Welcome back to PJ. You guys, some of you guys who weren't around, PJ used to break with Zach. They were a team when they started out. Flair Showcase, Paul Coffey for the Penguins and Ron. No dings yet, guys. I'm getting worried. Yeah, they're like retro. They're made to look retro like that, I think. We got the blue. Hey, it's Henrik Samuelsson again. For Chad, but this one's out of 199. Here you go, Chad. Let's see. Oh, I can't remember the name of that one. It's called the Parallel out of 199. There you go. If you want to go to breakninja.com, you can figure out what it is. Out of 199. Blues defenseman Colton Parayko for DJ. Ew. That's just gross, PJ. We got a red glow jersey. Nope. Yes. Oh, of ugliness for Rick. Daniel Sedin out of 99. A little bit of a top edge issue right there, as you can see. But the other corners look alright. Daniel Sedin green jersey. That's going to get Rick a single 6. Yeah, that kid's pretty good, eh? He's been up for a while. He's been doing good. Oh, nice top rookie for Calgary and Ron. Sam Bennett out of 699. I'm not even sure what his bonus is yet, actually. Maybe he has that giant version of the Plinko board still. Eric Carlson, Flair Showcase for Ottawa and War Machine. PJ will come up with something, don't worry about it. 643. We'll make it fun. Uh-oh. For the Oilers. Free team, won by James. Connor McDavid, Metal Universe. He is a big kid. He's been playing good, too. We got a mem in this one, guys. And... oh. I thought it was a mem. But it's one of those prospects. Oh, it isn't. Right. I thought it was one of the thicker. Out of $4.99 for the Colorado Avalanche. Robin, Mikko Rantanen, Skybox prospects. And our patch. Oh, it's a redemption. Could be good. Yeah, oh, will work. For Ron in the Calgary Flames. Hot Prospects Auto Patch out of $2.99. So the normal version patch of Sam Bennett. Sam Bennett is an awesome player, by the way. If you haven't seen him play, definitely going to be a star in the league. So there you go. Nice top rookie for Ron. Doing okay in this one. All right, there we go. Ron, that's going to get you the triple 6 as well. So thanks a lot, guys, for your support, and we'll catch you all on the next break, which is going to be 12th edition in a few minutes.